Hey, this is Low for Low Nose Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Narwal Freo, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop. And Narwal is all about bringing flawless floors to every household. We're going to explore three things when it comes to the Narwal Freo: how clean and effective it is, how smart and intuitive the experience of using the Narwal is, and finally, the design. Now, the Narwal Freo comes with 5 cleaning modes. The named after Freo mode, vacuum and mop, vacuum then mop, only vacuum, or only mop. Freo is a unique mode because it actually detects the degree of dirt intelligently. The more dirty the floor, the more time it's going to spend on that area of the floor, which means you don't have to worry about a superficial once-over that barely does anything. The other modes, which can be selected from the base station or app, are straightforward. It'll do the assigned job. Within the app, you can select the amount of time, areas, no-go zones, and intensity, among other things too. Alright, so it has a variety of cleaning modes, but how does it clean so well? Well, remember, this is the world's first self-cleaning robot, vacuum and mop, and the Narwal adjusts itself depending on the cleaning it needs to do. If you just need it to vacuum, well then the mopping pads will actually lift and the side brushes focus on pulling in dirt and vacuuming it up. And when you're ready to mop, well then the brush is lower and it starts mopping. One neat feature the Narwal does under the Freo mode is the Smart Swing. When the Narwal gets close up to blind areas, it activates the auto swing action periodically, ensuring it's really getting in there. Now, in order to get a really deep cleaning, the Narwal will overlap on areas, starting the task from the room farthest from the base station. It does this to prevent secondary pollution. Alright, let's get into the smart experience. The Narwal will auto-detect the dirtiness of the mop and return to the station to self-clean. When it's done cleaning itself, it'll resume where it left off. Then when docked, the Narwal will also dry the mops, ensuring it doesn't stay wet when not in use. To aid with the cleaning, the Narwal also has its own detergent that is mixed into the water. What's satisfying is you can literally see the dirt it's picking up off the floor by the wastewater tank inside the base station. One tank is for clean water and the other is for the dirty water container. The Narwal can also intelligently detect and move from different floor types. Floor to carpet, it's smart that way. Now let's talk about noise level. Silent, normal, strong, and super strong. It's really quiet on silent, and I would use it for an upkeep kind of cleaning. The LCD touchscreen on the base station practically does everything on this little screen. And if you needed to do something else more specific, well then you can always use the app as well. The design. It's simple and versatile and suitable for most home decor. You have handles on the side for moving the base station around and a cleaning tray inside the base for easier maintenance. There's also a cleaning compartment in the Narwal too. In final, Narwal has done a fantastic job here. My floors have never looked so clean consistently on a day-to-day basis since getting this guy. Set schedules, create plans, or even boundaries in the app. Bottom line, the Narwal Freo is a fantastic self-cleaning robot that vacuums and mops. As always guys, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own Narwal. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button if you like what's going on here, and also ding that notification so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.